In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transition your academic life from Blackboard to Notion. This tutorial is perfect for students looking to organize their courses, assignments, and grades in a more accessible and visually appealing way. Let's begin by navigating to Blackboard. Once logged in, you'll want to locate your courses and head to the section where your course schedules, assignments, and grades are displayed. Look for an export option, which typically allows you to download this data in either CSV or PDF format. This step might vary slightly depending on your educational institution's Blackboard setup, so make sure to explore the tabs under each course. If you can't find the export feature, reach out to your course instructor or check your institution's technical support resources. After successfully exporting your data, the next step is to import these files into Notion. Open Notion and create a new workspace specifically for your studies. Once your workspace is set up, import the downloaded files as either databases or pages. For CSV files, Notion will seamlessly create databases, identifying columns automatically. If you're using PDF files, consider manually converting essential data into Notion databases, although this might require a bit more effort initially. By organizing this information, you're setting the groundwork for an organized study hub. Now that your data is in Notion, it's time to unlock its powerful features by linking your courses, assignments, and deadlines. Notion allows you to create relationships between databases, providing a robust way to connect related information. For instance, you can link your course database with your assignment database, ensuring every assignment is associated with the correct course. Moreover, you can add specific deadlines to each task. By setting up these relations, you ensure that key information is just a couple of clicks away, thus enhancing your ability to stay on top of everything. With your data linked, it's time to make your study planning visually engaging by customizing views. Notion offers various display modes, such as calendar or board views, that can be tailored to your preferences. Setting up a calendar view can provide a bird's eye view of all upcoming deadlines, while a board view may help you focus on the status of each task, sorting them by categories like to do, in progress, or completed. These views not only make planning more intuitive, but also render daily scheduling less overwhelming. Finally, to maintain the effectiveness of your study hub, make it a habit to update your Notion databases regularly. By revisiting and revising your entries, whether it's adding a new assignment, adjusting a deadline, or logging a completed task, you keep your planning efforts current and useful. This routine will also aid in tracking your progress, giving you a sense of accomplishment as you move through your courses. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to transferring and managing your academic life from Blackboard to Notion. With a little setup and ongoing maintenance, you'll be well equipped to handle your studies with greater efficiency and clarity. Thank you for watching and happy organizing!